Everybody wants the best life and successful life for themselves. Everyone wants to be first class. No one dreams to be second class. If we ask a small child about their dreams, they have a huge dream. But as they grow older, the people around them and the society start killing those dreams. And those dreams become to get smaller and smaller. And they start adjusting in it, and slowly their life become the adjust. They start believing that huge dream cannot be achieved, and the result is they live average life. And that's the difference between successful and average people. Successful people believe in themselves and achieve the dream. There are two minds inside of you. Let's call one as a winner and other as a loser. Winner mind generates positive thought. It gives you all the reason which tells you you can do it, you can achieve anything. And whereas loser mind generates negative thought, and it gives you all the reason which tells you you cannot achieve it, you cannot do it. For example, if you will tell yourself today is a nice day, your mind will start giving you all the good things happening in that day. And the same thing, if you will tell yourself that today is a boring day, your mind will start focusing on all the boring things that are happening into your life. So always think positively, always feed your winner mind so that it can give you the reasons that you are capable of achieving any dream. Believing in yourself and you can move the mountain. Now some people will think that this is nonsense, that just by saying or thinking you can move mountain, will you actually move it? But here people are not understanding that they are mixing wish with beliefs. Wishing you can be a millionaire and actually believing that you will be a millionaire are two different things. Belief is not a magical power. It works if you start to believe in something, then your winner mind start to give you a thoughts that you are capable of doing this, and it start to find the way of achieving this dream. In this way you can actually achieve the dream by believing in yourself. For example, if Wright brothers would just have wished to fly in the sky, maybe airplane would not have been invented. But they did not wish. They believed in themselves that they can fly in the sky, and today airplane is invented. If you are not satisfied with the life you are living currently, and if you want to do something big, start believing in yourself that you can do it. First, think about the thing that you want to be in the future. Think of the lifestyle you want in the future and grind for it, work hard for it each and every day. Drag yourself from the bed and work on your dream, because nothing will change until and unless you believe in it and start working on it. And remember, the journey will be hard, but it will be worth it. And trust me, your future self will thank you for believing in yourself and achieving your dream. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video, and please guys subscribe to this channel and like the video.